like finding the axis of symmetry. We already know for that, but still, how to find the axis of symmetry? So we know the if f of x given what? If f of x given ax squared plus bx plus c. So what is the axis of symmetry? You remember the formula, axis of symmetry?
Minus b over 2a.
Axis of symmetry is going to be x is equals to minus b over 2a. So here, can you get the answer for this question? Here is given an equations and is expecting you to get the axis of symmetry.
X is equal to 3. Yeah.
Simple. Okay. Finding vertex. Finding vertex. So once you get, let's say for the same example, parabola goes up. When you got x is equals to 3, it means you got the x coordinate of this, right? X is equal to 3. Y coordinate we don't know, so how to get the y coordinate? That is, put the value in this. That is y coordinate, right? So can you get the vertex of the parabola? So let me summarize this. Once you get this one point, general formula is minus b by 2a, and that you can use this formula also, 4ac minus b square by 4a. That is very much possible. But you even without using this, if you know this point 3, so just put 3 in the function, so minus 20. So we got the vertex 3 comma minus 20. Graphing. Graphing a quadratic equation in the standard form. So this is something which is more easier than what we discussed. So how to graph the given parabola in the standard form. So first of all, he's saying find the axis of symmetry. Just now we discussed. Right? So the first steps towards graphing quadratic functions in the standard form, and graph definitely we know is going to be the parabola. So the step 1, find the axis of symmetry. Step 2, find the vertex. These two things we learn here. How to find the axis of symmetry means this line. How to find the vertex, this one. After then, what you need to do is create one small table. Create one small table. As I told you, put some value of x, you'll get the value of y. So you will get many points, and you can join them, you get the parabola. So I've taken an example here. Let us say I wanted to plot y is equals to 2x squared minus 4x minus 1. I wanted to plot this one. So first what I need to find is axis of symmetry. So what is the axis of symmetry? X is equals to minus b divided by 2a. Minus b is what?
Minus b is
minus 4. 2a is 1. So this is going to be
and
a is 2, right? So
yeah,
1. X. So x is equal to 1 means the vertex x coordinate is 1. What is y coordinate? Just put f of 1, right? If I put 1 here, how much we get? 2 into 1 square minus 4 minus 6, so minus 3, right? So vertex, yeah, I think is already mentioned here. 1 comma minus 3. So you got the vertex, you got this line, and again he's saying put some point. I will show you in the next page. And if you are putting the point, you can get the graph. He's showing something like this. He created a table. So you need to get at least 2 points to make this. So this point we already got, that is 1 comma minus 3. And if I put here, it's not like 2, you can put any point of your choice. Okay. So if I put x in this equation, if I put x is equal to 2, I'm getting y is equal to x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1. So it could be this point, 2 comma minus 1. And when I'm putting x is equal to 3, y is equal to 5. So this we got this one, 3 and 5. Put some more points. So you get this point, and join them. So graphing a quadratic functions in the standard form, I believe is clear to you. Yeah. This is something interesting part of the parabola. Here, often you get a question in the test. This is called matching up pairs of parabola points. Matching up pair of parabola points. The basics of this is very simple. Once you get axis of symmetry. See, one thing I'll clear one thing. If you see your, uh, academic, you might find parabola like this, parabola like this, parabola like this, parabola like this. But in the test, what you are preparing, for that you'll get either up or down. This will not be tested. So let us not take the headache of this, because that could be also the another form of the parabola. So we are not going to discuss that because that is not needed for us. Yeah. Now it comes to the matching up pair of parabola points. So first of all, what I'm saying here, let us say you get a point here. So, and you take horizontal line, or you can say the parallel to x-axis, you'll get another point here. The question is, if one point is given, how to get the other point? This is called matching up pair of points in parabola.
So given one point, how to get the other point?
Yes, that is the called matching up the parabola. But again, in this, if you see, this line, axis of symmetry be always the middle line. So to answer this question, your first step is to find the axis of symmetry. Equation of axis of symmetry, right?
That's x is equal to r plus t over 2.
Yeah, you can take r plus t over 2, here p plus q over 2, depends whatever information given. So axis of symmetry, that is x is equals to r plus t over 2, or if you are taking this point, so x is equals to p plus q over 2. So you'll get the axis of symmetry. Okay. And y coordinate be same here because you are taking the matching of the parabola. So y coordinate be always same. Now I'll take one example to understand how to perform this action. Let's take this question. Here one point is given 3, 6. For this parabola, can you get answer for this question?
Yeah.
Try this one. Here axis of symmetry is luckily given. Even if it is not given, we can find out what is there. X is equal to minus b is minus 10 over 2, a is 1. So 5. So axis of symmetry, x is equal to 5. Means the distance from here to here, this is 5. So this is x is equal to 5. Okay. One coordinate given 3, 6. So what is the coordinate of this one? We don't know. But we know y coordinate be definitely 6. And here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate I don't need. In fact, that be 6 only. Because this is the parallel, so everywhere be the same. So how to know this is real already? Answer is given, don't look for the answer. So how to get this point could be x2, you can write. Get it?
Yes. So the way that we get the answer is, they gave us that the line of symmetry was x is equal to 5. and we know that 3, 6 is on one side, so that's a distance of 2. Because it's a line of
This is
symmetry.
5, so this is 2, and further here is again 2. So 3 plus
7.
2, 5, and 5 plus 2, 7.
Yes.
This is by visualizing and by using a mathematical equation. How we get here, Juvin, you see? Let us assume the x2 is this point, x coordinate is x2. So this plus this has to be equal by 2 has to be equal to this, right? So we can say 3 plus x coordinate of first point, and second is, I don't know, x2 divided by 2 has to be 5. Right? That is the way we find the axis of symmetry. So just get cross multiplication. 3 plus x2 is equals to 10. So x2 is equals to 10 minus 3, which is 7.
This is solving for the, okay, yes, I understand.
Matching pair of equations. So is that clear, right?
Yes.
In this questions, if you see, the axis of symmetry is already given. What I'm trying to say, even it is not given, we can calculate. You can see I already calculated. If you know the equation, we can calculate the axis of symmetry, right? Axis of symmetry. In this, it is given. Even if it is not given, we can calculate.
Yeah.
This is another interesting format where we convert equation from